Hello everyone and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're making something special. Let's get started. Want to learn how to cook egusi soup the easy way? Let me show you the beginner-friendly method. These are the basic ingredients you need. First, boil your meat with onions, seasoning, and salt. Cook until soft. Heat your palm oil, not too hot. Add blended pepper and fry for 2 minutes. Now add your ground egusi and stir well. Add your cooked meat and stock. Stir and let it cook. Add ground crayfish, salt to taste. Finally, add your spinach or vegetable of your choice. Add your cooked meat and stock. Stir and let it cook. Let it simmer and your egusi soup is ready. Follow for more easy Nigerian recipes. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel to watch more.